President Rollins kono jae law bi e abusuapani law a utumi de twi wo abusuapani aso utumi de ne kogina court kra ma abusuapani aso ye be ye hye no na me say we ne that Lumba abusuafo no ma dwene enko ho we ye PNDC law 114 we ye abusuapani a we ye caretaker keke we ye hweso mame untumi nje abusua japade bia emmoso including dead body because Supreme Court cases bebre a o ma ye no eye authority e da ho e kire say obi wu abody na ye abusuamu no edea abusuan kase anya na ire ne mawo abusuan kase no nipa ne firi mu no omo na body ne ye omo dia nti say ye abusuan ne japade de ana wo abusuan pani a wo na wo hwe so ami ye sie funu no ami ye wanye ye ni ye wa mu ye no ho konta se ka press mpo na bedi wo even dead body no kra wo hwe ma ne say a wo abusuan pani etumi de wo kokot and I'm say that Lumba abusuan for no come as omadwene ma so na omudi kotu no ka law we need the first step and ka wo so omkohwe na wo hwe sal PNDC law 114 in fact you start with section 3 you can under this emra we can dey abusuan ejapade a the family property includes any property whether movable or immovable abusuan ejapade bi e dan immovable and immovable dan ade aye ntumi movie any ade aye movable car ne ade dead body so movable enti aha no that Lumba body no e kan abusuan japade under the law or say which belongs to the members collectively as a particular family or it is held for the benefit of such family and any receipt or proceeds from such family enti body a abusuan no obi wu and body ni abusuan dia enti wo abusuapani oje body no oye body ne de o de kwhye mochi ni ade ni nyina say you are holding sa body no any nipa ne niam nyina in trust for the family. Subject to section 2 of this law, a court shall have jurisdiction to make an order. Subject to section 2 of this law, a court shall have jurisdiction to make an order compelling the head of family to render accounts or file an inventory in respect of all such family properties that is in his possession, control, or custody, as the court may specify in this order. Inti abusuan japade bia wo abusuapani ho no court betimi court wo jurisdiction cheso wo tumi se betimi order abusuapani no amwa ba be account in respect of ejapade bia e wo ne nchen de e wo ne control because ebi one man in nchen by in his control. For instance that Lumba dead body no at the time an body no what transitions no na eni abusuapani possession eni nsem but e wo abusuapani control because abusuapani na eye ho arrangement okoda ho and it is only under abusuapani authority and on betimi ayi body no nti body no ho bibia nkonta sika sen ne ese wo cemetery sen ne de koye ye ni nyina abusuapani tumi emra ne hye no mra we e hye no so obu akonta kire family no na se one seed mpoyira na so be hye law we so can section 2 or say where the head of family fails or refuses still has a abusuapani to pack pa. Section 2 or say where the head of family fails or refuses to render account or file an inventory of any family property, any member of the family to which such property belongs, who has or who claims to have any beneficial interest in the property, may apply by motion to a court for an order compelling the head of family to render accounts, file an inventory of the family property to the family concerned. Inti aha se abusuapani na anya account antre abusuan no inti se na that Lumba abusuan che so omo friend wo pakoso wa anko no abusuan mu nipa bia wo benefit wo abusuan che say he belongs to the family no ebetimi akokot. This is why I was saying say yen sorry kekentu abusuapani rules and regulations no must apply into obetimi akokot na wa court na compel abusuapani no ye be hye no so amra court mebu akonta kapre ne simple bia abusuan enanye sikasem keke say odi koto he orusie that Lumba according to nabusuan aduana amamre because that Lumba aduana ni into see that Lumba according to aduana fo amamre anase wa anya ne sa ni nyina abusuan no right so mubusa no also no such application shall be entertained by the court unless the court is satisfied by the applicant that they've taken steps to settle the matter within the family and that all attempt has failed till into court in manasi before cry member of the family no emrane ba ma otumi se bra court na fa busuapani ni bra court just say mo sa busuafo no ye de mbe bia se mo kan se mo ofie na anye yi enti mo ya ma frɛ abusuan panifo bi amakɔ ahemfo anye yi makɔ traditional processes ni nyina mu anye ansana baba court enti yan sori keke na me kan yan ko section 1 no say notwithstanding any law to the contrary any head of family or any person who is in possession of or in control of or has in his custody any family property shall be accountable for the property to the family for which the property belongs. Nti abusuapani bia wo de abusua no wo ye nkrani o, wo ye anwonani o, wo ye asante o, wo ye mfante o, wo ye tindana ni o, susala ni o, gonja ni o, emrase esese obu akonta. O say shall by force. You are accountable to the family. Nti esese obu akonta che family no. Section 1 subsection 2 say every head of family or any person who is in possession of control of or has in his custody any family property shall cause to be taken and file an inventory of all such family property. Inti okra abusuan na japade wo nsem se wo ye abusuan pani o onya abusuan pani o ese se wo ye inventory ni chese wo se wo ye krata e be kire abusuan bibia wo hotaku o simpo ni nyina wo se wo kire mu. Inti in this case ya that number wo no na japade ni bi wo ho no ma ye de interstate succession law ena ebeche because yes wanye will. Inti if it is true, it is accurate say wanye will na say interstate succession law no neche na japade a ebi wo no ma ebekọ na abusuafo ho de ebekọ na abusuafo na abusuapani na ebehwe so emra hye abusuapani so ye inventory no kire say bia ye che ne man ka ba ko na ebedi yensem edan ba ko na ebedi yensem ensure factory na ebedi yensem ensure factory no we say na wom nkonwa say enchansen say we ni nyina abusuapani emra hye so ye inventory and enye just abusuapani keke obia abusuan japade wo ho bia. And the critical thing about this law ne say etore bia ya na niema bebre ba we ukoka na no na ide nkofo chedantie ba we abai people are more interested in say abusuapani kra na adwuma tesen. Supreme Court akada that say we abusuapani opposition no, it is similar to that of a trustee we hweso mame tie de ade ahye wonsem a wo hweso ba obi o ye trustee bia so mra ne hye say mo a wo hwe ade ne so ma na wo sem ntua ne ka in the way omo ye omo de so omo abusuapani so betron no so be ka say obedi abusuapani nyina adwuma wa ye omo ntua ne ka because trustee position no under law trustee position no bia trustee na wo hwe ajapade so bebo no enye ono trustee ne ka abusuan ne ka eni se abusuan pani fa ka abankran oboka wo se abusuan ne tua ofa ka ekokumase pa koso ne ade court ni ade nyina no wo se abusuan ne tua unless abusuan no can say bia ade bi oyeye court no a wo koye no na ye frivolous eno anya ade a nyansa wom wa exercise due care wan fa nyansa ene adwene mu eda ho anya adwuma ti aka no abusuan ka na je so no na akope ene wa bo se bru se mpreduas an kwase aka but ye ka related to adwuma all year as trustee dia emre mu no wo se abusuan no sutua ni nyina aka. Enti case we na make no left or right or very interesting my nyina because ye mu bebre no ye nim ye abusuan panifo ene ye mfa ne say important position until sa asam aba. But I was say by law we crama we say who say important in a President Rollins crama law we. But before law we be na nanom so akekere wo mmra to customary laws. A krobia obekom bia say mfante for crime for gonja for dagbani for obia wone de. Nti yen starting ko yenchi ne enko bisa say krobia na ofrum. Owudi na ade na odi ejade nton be na obo na start busa wabusu apene very important. Who is the head of your family?